Hello. For ring number 3, we have a winner and a champion by split decision. Blue, Isabella Palagua. Next match for ring number 3. Championship match between Neil James Ones, red, versus Miguel Galileo, blue. Order for ring number 3. Championship match between Jonas Amora of Antiquera, red, versus Zia Carl Omedes of Leon, blue.
Please proceed to the court. Kurt Ervin Ampak, red armor versus Mark Errol Makiling. Please prepare on deck. Charles Darryl de la Mora, red armor versus Daisy Marie Cuya, blue armor. Cuya. De la Mora. De la Mora.
Time.
For court number 1, Cotton Boys, junior speed, 14 to 15 years old, welterweight, 56 kilogram and over. For the semi-final round, please prepare John Kapuyan, red armor,
Ready.
versus Ray J.R. Kabala, blue armor. Next, please prepare Kian Jeff Baltimore, red armor, versus Andy Boctoto, blue armor. Again, for the semi-final round, please prepare John Kapuyan, red armor, versus Ray Jr. Kabala, blue armor. Next, please prepare Kian Jeff Baltimore, red armor, versus Andre Boctoto, blue armor. Next match for court number 1, Charles Darryl de la Mora, red armor, versus Daisy Marie Cuya, blue armor.
Proceed to court 2. Again, proceed to court number 2 to the waiting area for the championship round.
Please proceed to the waiting area.
Blue Armor, Edelman Gonzalos.
Again, please prepare on deck. John Kapuyan, red armor versus Ray Junior Cabala, blue armor. Kian Jeff Baltimore, red armor versus Adri Bocolo, blue armor.
Next match, championship match versus Red Armor Carlito Amon versus Blue Armor Kevin Bobio versus to the waiting area. Court number 2.
Reminders of the live stake players o ginagawa na ayaw mo o talikod kay maigo inyong buko-buko sa stake. Thank you.
Third match for the final match or championship match between Red Armor Ashton James Ruffles versus Blue Armor Van Clyde Cesario. Proceed now to the waiting area. Court number 2. Fourth match, championship match between Red Armor Drazen Monares versus Blue Armor Dave Stephen Lariba. Last call for the championship rounds between Red Armor Gabriel Sinatico versus Blue Armor Edelman Salos.
Two, three. We have a winner by unanimous decision. Blue Armor.
To the court. Charles Darrell Villamora, red armor versus Daisy Marie Cuya, blue armor. Next match for the court number 1, John Kapuyan, red armor versus Ray Junior Cabala, blue armor.
may duwa ba? Huwag atrasay ba? Ang hangaton ang referee. This is for the championship round between Amora versus Umiles. Amora of Antiquera versus Umiles of Laon. Grabe.
Please proceed to the court. Kian Jeff Baltimore versus Adri Bongtoto.
Disarm red, disarm red.
Please proceed to the court. Kian Jeff Baltimore, red armor versus Adri Bongtoto, blue armor.
Anton Padillo. Rafael Cesario.
Next match for court number 1. John Tapuya, red armor versus Wayne Junior Cabala, blue armor.
Time.
Bonares and Laniba. Linggo ito.
Okay, second round. Let's go to the third round. Let's move to the third round.
Okay, calling all the technical officials. Court number 2.
For verification, please raise your hand. Baltimore.
Okay, our first match, championship match for the Juniors B Featherweight
This is for the championship. Sige, sir. Ikaw na, sir.
Okay, our first match for the championship match, Featherweight Juniors B category between Red Armor Gabriel Serafico and Blue Armor Edelman Gonzalos. Proceed to the board now.
This is for the third round between Omeres of Laon versus Amora of Antiquera. Dahil Prince Game, kanawa, pinagmayay, awa ang unal. Ipakita nila kung sa unal.
Speaker on deck, Jamaica Rose, red armor versus Juana Faith Papero, blue armor. Again, please prepare on deck, Jamaica Rose, red armor versus Juana Faith Papero, blue armor.
Parehas lang yung silang bunal ha, parehas lang silang bunal. Ang nakalindot sa duwa nila sa live stick no, kay dilit sila dikit at na sila yung distance. So, karon you know, at isa ang dapat. We have a winner by split decision. Blue Armor. Court number 3 will have 15 minutes delay.
category, padded labanan, winner, and the champion, Blue Armor, Edelmar Gonzalo from PTI. Next match, proceed to the court now. Tanan na remaining ka ng participants before the final match, wear your headgear para ito na. Headgear.
For the next match for court number 1, Jamaica Ron, Red Armor versus Joanna Faith Quateros, Blue Armor.
Virginia spaghetti, perfect for gourmet cooking.
The quality sound, the excellent lights, ultimate video production, and the competent events and advertising agency will bring you to the historic events and advertising concept. RTN Production Events and Advertising Services will bring you to the quality services such as company party, video coverage, photography, talents, and performers provider, lights and sounds rental, and other equipments. RTN Production is the one-stop events and advertising agency in Central Visayas and Mindanao. For inquiries, call us up at 0995-498-7959 or email us at rtnproductioncebuph@gmail.com.
Masarap at kakaibang suka ba ang hanap mo? Subukan ang Daddy Johnny Sukang Special, ang kauna-unahang special suka sa Bohol na gawa sa fermented coconut wine, luya, sibuyas, bawang, tanglad, siling labuyo at marami pang special ingredients na habang tumatagal ay lalong sumasarap. Organic, non-expirable at mas mura sa iba. Mainam din sa pag-boost ng immune system. Open for interested distributors and resellers nationwide. Tawag na or visit our Facebook